You can go pretty far with Codex, I'm realizing, and so I just wanted to throw this on. I'm testing something out. So on the left side, I have my own agent that can do different workflows. So it edits the YouTube video, it uploads the YouTube video. Now on this tab, it is testing out every screen for Ship by Sunday. And then while that's getting tested, as you can see, it's literally doing it right now. If I go back to this tab, I have 5 sub agents that are trying to make thumbnails. I don't expect much out of it, but let's see. So I gave it a template. This is the one that I made, and this is the one that 5.4 extra high, basically the fanciest one, made that thumbnail. So it modified it. It put this wash on it, which was kind of cool. It changed the font. It did a bunch of stuff, actually. So I'm curious to see how these 5 pan out. And that's what we'll see in a second. It is funny when they start to go, is it actually looks like multiple versions of yourself because it's taking a token. Basically, it tricks Figma into thinking that it's just you again. So you actually get to see it go. Those are making thumbnails. You can see that I had this diagram. Well, actually, I didn't. I basically wrote a set of instructions, and I needed a diagram. And so I didn't make any of these diagrams, which is really cool, because I just outlined what the steps were. Then I gave it a screenshot, which is a PNG, and it recreated perfect, like pixel perfect diagrams for this build loop that is part of Shipped by Sunday. And so it represents all the different prompts and the steps that you need to do, but then it just generates that nice diagram. So it looks like they just did the part of writing out the visual language for it. And then now it is for each turn. So this wasn't here before. So for each MCP turn, it makes one move, which is kind of funny how that works. But that means that we should see it pop back in on the next call. It says the image path failed. Yeah, so these Codex Spark ones really did not work as well, but good to know. So you got to kind of keep it to the smart ones for now. But I thought that was cool. I wanted to share that.